Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to address nose appearance. It is important to understand that your nose is mainly made of bone and cartilage, not fat, so direct fat loss from the nose itself is not possible. However, by focusing on overall facial slimming and reducing puffiness, you can make your nose appear more defined and proportionate. Remember, genetics play a significant role in your nose's natural shape. While exercises won't change bone or cartilage, they can tone surrounding muscles and improve circulation. Try the nose shortening exercise. Place your index finger on the tip of your nose, push up, and hold for 5 seconds, repeating 10 times. Another effective method is the smile press. Smile widely and gently press your nose with your fingers, holding for a few seconds and repeating 10 times. Regular facial massage can also reduce fluid retention. Your diet and lifestyle significantly impact facial appearance. Losing overall body fat can lead to a slimmer face, making your nose appear more refined. Reduce your salt intake to prevent water retention, which often causes facial puffiness. Drink at least 8 glasses of water daily to stay hydrated and flush out toxins. Also, include anti-inflammatory foods like fresh fruits and vegetables for overall health. For the best results, adopt a holistic approach. Combine regular facial exercises with a balanced diet and consistent hydration. Remember, consistency is key. Performing these practices daily will yield better outcomes than sporadic intense efforts. While natural methods can enhance your nose's appearance, significant structural changes typically require medical intervention. Ultimately, embrace your unique features and prioritize your overall health and confidence.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.